Hello everyone, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. Today's video is just a quick tip for holding the camera steady and tight. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanyu. My name is Abhimanyu. See, there are some situations we have to take the photos, especially when the light is low, when there is no tripod as well. Some images may be very shaky or some images may be very sharp. If you want to shoot the photos steady and sharp, just follow this step. What you have to do is, in case if there is no tripod, and when what you have to do is bring these elbows close. Make sure your elbows are tight like this, and hold your camera also very tight, and take a photo. When your shutter speed is 1/30th of a second or 1/20th of a second, you can use this method like this and take a photo. I can assure you the image will be sharp. And in the case of video, put your strap in the neck and pull your camera like this. Make sure the camera and strap is tight, and switch on the video. And if you want to pan it, just pan like this. You will get a smooth panning. And if you want to tilt it, just do like this. Make sure the strap and camera both are tight. In case if your strap and camera both are loose, there will be a little shake. It is applicable for photo as well when you are shooting through live mode like this. Especially when you're shooting in 1/10th of the second or 1/5 of the second. That is for sure there will be some shake when you're shooting when the strap and camera is loose. Okay guys, that's all from today's video. If this video is very helpful for you, just give a thumbs up and do subscribe, comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos, and we will keep in touch. And don't forget to comment below if any topic comes to your mind, and I will definitely make a video about that. Cheers guys, thank you. I will see you in the next video. Uyandamo.